Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my top 5 anti-aging tips or steps which even your dermatologist will be like, yeah, that's correct, you can do that way. You can see my skin, it went from this to this by using these two products which I've never ever shared on this platform. This skincare routine will work for all of you, so do keep watching till the end and let's start. Number one tip is applying sunscreen. Now, not any ordinary sunscreen, but you have to make sure that your sunscreen is having good amount of PA rating, like almost 3A, PA plus or 4 PA plus, and with that it also should be SPF 30 at least. And then number two, do make sure that you're reapplying it every 2 hours. Number three, if you find some kind of sunscreen which also has like antioxidants like vitamin E and all of that, which will give you even more protection. With that, don't forget the areas like your ear, your neck, your hands, because people don't apply sunscreen there. These are also part of your body which do age. Now, number two is very important, that is antioxidant power. So when I talk about antioxidant, those are your skin's best friends because they help in protecting your skin from free radicals. Now these free radicals are the ones which break down the collagen, cause loss of elasticity and dullness and all those wrinkles, sagging of your skin. I swear by Damn Good's Glow and Roll Duo Kit, which helps in giving you that younger looking skin. So if you look at the ingredients of this vitamin C serum, it has lemon extract which boosts collagen production for plumper forming skin. It has gooseberry extract which protects your skin from UV damage and lightens pigmentation. Number three, it has moringa extract which repairs damaged skin and strengthens your skin barrier. You know, when I initially started using this vitamin C, I wasn't seeing a lot of results. मुझे लग रहा था कि उतने result तो कुछ मिल नहीं रहे. I think it's not good. Then someone recommended कि why don't you try it with gua sha and rolla, because that will increase the efficacy of this vitamin C serum. Absorption increases by 30%. So vitamin C is just not any high, but it's actually a very good powerhouse for reducing your blemishes, your dark spots. It also helps in lightening any kind of pigmentation you might be having. It builds your collagen and gives you that glow that you're looking for. Point number three, that with age, obviously there comes dullness, there comes puffiness. So I swear by lymphatic drainage. I feel that if you do it on a regular basis, it really helps in firming up your skin. And when I talk about gua sha, I know many of you are confused which one to use, which one to buy. I use this Damn Good Himalayan Stone Gua Sha. As you can see here, this one, it's not like any other gua shas which you find in market, which are like Chinese imitation. This is actually a real Himalayan stone gua sha. So how is it good is that it retains the coolness. When you massage it, it does not become warm, it still remains cool, highly durable, and also has like these natural healing properties. It's really worth your money. So you can try this duo of Glow and Roll and see if the changes for yourself. I'll be linking everything in the description box. Do make sure you check it out. Third tip is something which I wish I knew earlier, which is hydrating your skin. So it's like obviously you should be drinking water and all that is there, but outside, like topically also, you should be applying good toners, and the ones with hyaluronic acid or with peptides, ceramides, all of these things. You know, बहुत बार ऐसे होता है, you see like these fine lines which are not actually wrinkles, they are the dehydration lines. So make sure that you're applying good toners, you're moisturizing your skin well, and then you can also seal it with Vaseline during the night time, which is called slugging, which will help in retaining the moisture during the night time, and you'll wake up with better glowing skin in the morning. A fifth point, obviously we all know that we are what we eat, so make sure that you are eating more of antioxidant rich diet. You are focusing on seeds also here. So I want to talk about mainly about seed cycling. A lot of women don't know about it, where you are basically eating the seeds according to your periods or your menstrual cycle. So यहाँ पे आपने क्या करना, in the very beginning when you are when you got on your period, you got over from that, you start eating more of pumpkin seeds because they are rich in estrogen, so it will help in building the blood for that lining that you're supposed to form. And by the time you hit 15 days or so, then you start incorporating more of sesame seeds, because the sesame seeds are rich in progesterone. So this way your hormonal balance will be there. You can do that with the help of seeds. How simple is that? But it's really amazing. It works great if you're someone having hormonal issues, or overall also I feel that for women health you can be doing seed cycling. So these were a few of the tips that I wanted to share with you. Do let me know how did you like them. If you have any other secretive tips or something that you're using for yourself, do let me know in the comment box. I'm happy to read the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.